Yo, what's going on, guys? DJS here, CollectiveKicks.com. Wanted to bring you guys a video today and show you guys a handful of samples that I found at Goodwill for just a crazy, stupid price of $8 a pair. And I'm showing you guys right here. They're $8 each, so I paid $32 for 4 pairs of them. And this is nothing super hype up or crazy, so if anybody's expecting something awesome, probably stop the video after you see these. But it's fun nonetheless because it's just a random thing that I saw that I was like, dude. I took a second look at it and I was like, what the hell are these? And as I was looking closer, they're actually Nike samples. And so they had a whole bunch of these. They had, I want to say they had 14 pairs of these or so. And I talked to the lady at Goodwill and she said they've been sitting there for forever. And with a good reason. I mean, they're kind of odd. But when I was talking to her when I was checking out, that she was like, well, yeah, for like a no-name brand shoe or whatever, they're just black, weird-looking things or whatever. But as you can see, obviously, I was like, no, they're Nikes. And she's like, what? So she didn't even know that they were Nikes. And I think when I pointed that out, they'll probably go back and change the prices so they're more expensive. But they're all new. I mean, this has a little bit of chalk and stuff written on the bottom here. But they're all pretty much new, dead stock, random little size 7Y samples. And here's what it says right here, made in Indonesia. So size W7, so it's a women's 7. So, and this is season fall 2011, it looks like, obviously it says down there. It says a GTM sample. I don't know what the significance of a GTM sample is, but it was just kind of a random one. The reason why I bought 4, some of you guys are like, why did you do that? I bought these for you guys, actually. If there's anybody that's actually interested in these, that is a size 7, I'm just trying to unzip them down here because they're actually zipped down the middle. But what I'm saying is if anybody is a size 7 that wants these, like a 7Y, I'm assuming, or whatever this is, maybe this is 7 women's, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll just randomly choose like 4 people. But I will verify with you guys before, like, I'll send them that you guys actually are the size that they are. And the only reason why I'm doing that is just to make sure that they're going to people that actually want them, because I don't want them to just go to somebody that just wants to try to sell them. They're not worth anything anyway, but sometimes people want to have like random samples or see them in person and stuff, and so I figured I'd do that. And these ones are just, again, at my Goodwill for like $8, and they're literally, I mean, there's a tag right there, $8. Just a weird material, the split tongue zipper. Never seen that before. Super weird. It even has the original paper in it. Just really bizarre, and kind of a weird lacing system as well. How it kind of goes through the loops. So I don't know if we'll ever see that on like an actual pair where it's a zip tongue like this. It seems like a hazard. You'd zip your foot or something like that. Okay, your sock caught in here or something. But it's just kind of a weird little zip boot thing, and that's pretty much it, dudes. I mean, nothing, again, too crazy, too fancy, but there was so many pairs of them that I was just like, man, I might as well just grab a couple for you guys. I mean, and they were so cheap. They're $8 a pair. I was like, might as well just grab a couple for you guys if you guys want to see them. I will have the full Goodwill video, though, because a whole bunch of other random stuff there. So check back for that video. And I just wanted to show you guys what I actually ended up buying. And you can see there's like a little silver lining right there. There's a silver lining on these sneakers. And then there's like a leather collar around it. And then most of this is just weird, just nylon upper. And kind of a weird plastic guard on the toe. And again, simple, very weird, very minimal branding, enough that Goodwill didn't even know that they were Nikes. And although it says Nike right, yeah. But let me know what you guys think. I know it's kind of random. If you guys don't like this video or don't like this type of videos because there's not any crazy heat in the video, then let me know, I guess, as well. But I'll mix it up. Like if you guys like that I do this type of stuff, then I'll totally do it like going forward, because I always go thrifting. So I can do videos for that for fun, and then I can just pick up random stuff and just give them to whoever. So I don't know. Thumbs up if you guys like the concept or whatever. And thank you guys for watching, and check back for the Goodwill video. But leave a comment and just let me know that you're a size 7 women's, or that you, I don't even know, like maybe 7 men's, or what, if you are interested in these and you're a dude. Either which way, like I'll just check the comments and I'll verify with a couple of people. Hopefully you guys will have an Instagram account or something like that, and you can tag me and let me know you're actually that size, so I'm not getting scammed or anything like that. It's not like a crazy big deal for a scam because they're not very expensive, but I want to make sure, again, they're going to the right people. We'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.